What do you suggest HR? Because HR is a very vital role in any organization. What do you say? How HR has to act in this kind of scenario, especially?
Yeah. Again, the HR has a bigger responsibility.
What
Now,
tips you actually
yeah,
going to
surely. So the first is that they also need to adapt the changes which are happening, be it at the the Supreme Court guidelines or the rights for LGBTQ. Okay, and they are also now becoming conscious that they are accepting this. So they are also representing to their senior management that look now how the variety of the preferences which employees have, it is their choice. Even usage of a washroom or nominating somebody maybe could be of a same sex, that needs to be accepted. Okay, even when you interview, when you also talk to people, you are conscious of this fact that the person could be of a different sexual preference, the gender, and uh, there are organizations which they have also taken a note of it and added these some of the important discipline and the code of conduct, so that how I would behave with the other employees, those who are part of the LGBTQ community.
Do you suggest any posters or any wall, stickers to be pasted
Definitely,
everywhere?
the posters, stickers, teasers, standees would always help. But more than that is the continuous training to these people, awareness. When you have new joiners coming in, you have induction program for them. Also, when they are not there in these particular programs of induction, you need to do again a second run. You need to continually drive this. And third is HR and other departments also have to become a role model. So they also have to have a representation of women. They also have to have a representation of LGBTQ, and then start accepting. The moment you see the display of the genuineness of our organization's intentions, I think people would have a lot of comfort into this.
Very good.